How to change your currency on Priceline. So first things first, head over to your web browser and head over to priceline.com. I have logged into my account. Then what I'm going to be doing, I'm just going to select the hotel that I want to move into. Let's just say we want to move on to California, somewhere along the lines, LA. We're going to enter in our check-in and check-out details. It's going to be 6th and the checkout being 4th of July. Then what we're going to do is we're going to simply select if we want 2 adults or 1 room, or like 2 rooms and more than 2 adults. That being said, we're simply going to click on find your hotel. Now we're going to wait a bit for Priceline to find us the best deals with the best prices. Now to change the price tag, what you are going to do is you're going to click right here onto this dollar sign right here. Now instead of changing the currency into US dollars, you can change that into Canadian dollars, Emirati dirhams, Brazilian reals, and euros as well. Let's just switch that up to Emirati dirhams. And this way you can successfully change the currency onto Priceline.com. As you can see now, instead of the US dollars, they're displaying the price lines onto Emirati dirhams, this one being 521 dirhams, and this can go all the way down to 321, which is a price breaker, which sounds pretty amazing and like an amazing deal to me. So guys, this is it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video helps, and if it does, be sure to hit that like button and also comment down below and hit the subscribe button as well.